Kurtang ka BHP haka election chena mekhmar steng samoi shika yeng rabot hau an gejala Rajabala Kingston B Marak lapan pa ka bot saulam no bata kaseng kongresi kan trikam nomor ki kam peroi blale raksokar NDA hapo kejelam jong Narendra Modi Menteri rang badu ke India. Habakran ikhlat patai kubor hadian bak BJP Mekhlaya State Unit kelapan menai kerteng jung hukum Kurtang dau ba Ernest Mauri Presiden Marak loong ba udan jigjermen bancop baik akan iki election. Nagaliang jung ba Ernest Mauri habakran loong ba parti kadang jigjermen baskem bakan ra eka thong lang baki kam ki bak sarkar NDA hak jingilam Modi Menteri rang ba kalathe supaj ba.
Ngilaya rai hak election committee kabalong mensisngi hakaba ngilayo ya ka application na kanika Rajabala saupunyo Rajabala constituency arut ki kerteng bat nakaliang jong ka election committee state election committee ngilaya rai bat ngilaya menjurlang borok da election committee bangin ai tiket ya uneu Kingston B Marak ban yakun hakanika election siteng samoy kabanlong mentau punai bat nakaliang gijongi ngila penbiang na dong sedong hakaba ki nongkit kam jong ka parti ibadon hang thia po ha rilom karo kila long ki ba penkre ban ya ireng syakani ke election siteng samoi kaban long mentau punai kejing tiap bot kan long kalai potrik te nakaliang jongi ngi sos kem bangin yo ya ka jingjob kabudan burom lembau ni kandidat jongi Kingston B Marak kawai kalong namar bo dei rilom uba dei nakatei ka rilom garo but udai ru utraisno nakatei constituency but hakaju kapor uni kandidat ubang ila menjurlang ubla biang bagi jenang cingstat but udai ru kandidat uba pau ha haka kam imnang salang udai social workers ubale sipun ki activities hak bedai bat ki RTI bat ki ru te nakaliang jongi kum ke parti ngila ya perkhalang bat ki nongelam jongi ne pot Delhi bahkan ni ketika election keba kerpang ba nak menta ke jongi kum ke parti hakaba ini tristom ban penjob yau kandidat kejongi.
Hadu kau nu bilang confidence nomor ba ngatip baga kidan lightly ki national party banya aireng po Rajabala kum ka Congress NPP BJP hadu kau nu bi so confident ba kurtong ni pi un ra ka thong.
Kawai bangidon ka confidence ka bolong 100% namar ba kum ba fitip hi ka BJP ka pen i ki kam. Namar kum bolong mentah po Meghalaya kakam penroy penpat hak bedai bet ka surok lane ka electricity lane ha bedai bet kumbam kumdi kum ka jal jiban mission bat kiwei ki skim na mata ki nongrep dei ka sarkar BJP ka baai na Delhi mangai skam baki pai ba ki bodon nakte konstituensi ru kiyo i ka ne ki tristom jong u prime minister bodon burom jongi bat ka jingpha jong u ki skim sanction ki skim fair ya ka jala ka jongi bat khantam kumbulong menta pilai haka sibnai baru ki minister wei minister jong ki department ba fair ki wan ban jungo ya ka jala ka jongi kang ba ka skim ka ba wanra da ka sarkar ka jongi bahkan long biai bet na ka menta ka jing toy chung point ba bat kumbulong menta pie baru pie tip ka don ka wi ka jingkieng ka badang sna thamai ka ba pen yaso ya ka dhubri bat ya ka tikrikila tekani ke jingkieng hadin meladep kanwan ra ke jingkerhu ke bakrau ha ya ke rilom karo khamtam ki bodon na poka rithor ha plain bell ke bangyong langba kan ke jingkieng kan sawan bon ki kampun roy bat ki pai ba ki bodon nang the kilong ki ba start ang scam ba hot ki don ki national party ki bayakun ke kongres kum ba fitip ki don ke jing ya bomir su jingmut tengam tharai ba hakane kinti ba menta kinyo pan khet biang yu tau so kum bagi temu ba hakabe dei ke NPP kita la jong kakam kum ba fitip hi kum balong hadu menta ka dei ke parti ke barang stang thamai mo kampat dai kata ka parti ke ba kumbolong ke BJP dengan ekskam baki baik ba ki nong tebut akate ka Rajabala so punya Rajabala konstitusi kinjit yu kurtong bangi penjang kawai ke bangilong lada ujob kemut ke benkong ke manwan ra ya ka roy kapar the development for overall hakim tabaro.
My name is Kingston B Marak, and we write B Marak as a Bolwari. And I born and brought up in Rajabala Kingston. And further studies I moved to Tikrikila, and then for further studies I came to Shillong, and I did my journalism and mass communication from Sikkim University. And then I have worked with a lot of political leaders, and then I turned into the social activist where I have. Before joining BJP, we have supplied a lot of documents about GHDC corruptions and about Niti Aayog corruptions and all. So this is my little biodata that I would like to share, and I'll update later on if something is new come up with me. I took this privilege that why I'm ready to contest this by-election, because first of all, I would like to say that I'm born and brought up in that area, and I knew that the circumstance and the problem of that area where lots of lack of developments and lots of leakage of the developments were undertaken, and also as President stated earlier that lots of schemes and lots of projects has been launched from the central government to the state, but due to lack of elected members, these developments never reach to below poverty line or the area where road connectivity and other developmental schemes are not being implemented there. I would give example in my area that where I stays, that village name is Koikuri, is very flood affected area, and there is very problem in road connectivity where we have to take boat, we have to sail boat to reach to my resident during flood time. So looking at all this thing, I joined BJP, and also this election makes me to explore my quality of politics and to know what is the exact lack of development is lacking behind. So these things and lots of things which I cannot express myself on this through electronic media, but I'll just say that I'll speak less and I'll show my action after the election.
Will the sympathy vote will work for a Congress candidate?
I cannot say whether the sympathy vote will work or not, but as you know that Congress has little weight in every nook and corner of the state. So, but if the BJP has good competence and confidence on the voters, then of course we can say that sympathy vote will work. Only the development schemes and project will show the flying colors with BJP. That's it.
So this is your first election?
No, I contested GDC election in this year, MDC election from Balachanda constituency, and as independent candidate. So that was my first political debut that I came in as an independent candidate, and I learned a lot from the field, that communications and lots of aspects I have learned from these elections. And this MLA by election will be my second political debut again with the BJP. So I hope and I expect, and my faith and sincere from the BJP party, that they will provide me and support me. And of course, we confident that we'll win, and we will have a shared seat with the assembly from the Rajabala constituency. My appeal to voters, I cannot express all those at this short moment, but we'll update you later on, and then you will, when you covered me during campaign time, that will show you the appealing to voters.